EinNel Technologies is a digital transformation company that harnesses the power of the digital to improve business performance, creating real value. Established in 2010 in Chennai, India, we deliver revolutionary technology solutions for digitally transforming businesses in the fields of software and IT, automotive, manufacturing, energy, construction, and healthcare. Our complete security-net solutions span across software as a service application development, multidisciplinary design optimization of vehicles using data-driven CAE, development of in-vehicle AI systems, industrial IoT, and digital twin technologies. Over the years, EinNel has steadily expanded its operations to the USA and Canada. As a data-driven product development company with innovation at our core, we move businesses forward, ushering in a new era of technology. With a talented workforce of over 100 employees, we are creative and strategic. With rich experience, matchless expertise, and specialized intelligence, we elevate our clients' productivity to the next level. As a company and as individuals, we value integrity, honesty, personal excellence, continual self-improvement, and mutual respect. We believe in the holistic development of our employees and mold them to become the next generation leaders. In what we do, we aim for excellence.